Namaskar student, welcome back after summer vacation. Student, as we know that COVID-19, the pandemic has created this much of situation that we have to take these type of classes. Student, I know this thing very well that you people enjoy more in school than home. But in this condition, the condition is not allowing us to go to school, but we cannot deny this fact that we cannot go to school in this situation, and because to be safe and to be healthy we have to be at home. But on the second part, our education should not suffer. So education will not suffer. We will continue all our studies in these online classes or in video classes. Student, in our last classes we have done chapter 1, 2 and 3. Our chapter 1 was number up to 100. As I have seen so many students have sent me the work which is done very nicely. I appreciate these students and hoping that those students who have not done the work will send me the work soon. Student, I have sent work of few students after checking. And I have done some correction in these work also. So student, I hope you have done all the correction. Student, the correction work which you will do need not to send it to me, but if you are feeling any query or any problem in any of these work, you can talk to me or you can call me anytime. And the student, those who have not completed the work, can ask me for any type of help if they are facing any problem in these work. So student, in last classes or in last videos, few parents were saying that they were not able to understand what we are saying. वो नहीं समझ पा रहे थे कि हम क्या कह रहे हैं या क्या कहना चाहते हैं. So या वो उन वीडियोस को नहीं डाउनलोड कर पाए, या उन वीडियोस से जो हम समझाना चाह रहे थे उनका पर्पस सॉल्व नहीं हुआ. So student, we will start all of our work with the revision session. Student, today we will do the revision of lesson 1, that is number up to 100. Student, in our lesson number 1, the first question is counting. Student, we have done counting in our class prep also, in class 1 also, and I hope you all are knowing the counting very well. So to check your knowledge and to teach from my side, I just want to count number from 1 to 100. Student, repeat with me, speak these number with me. So starting with 1. 1 is smallest single digit number. Remember this thing, that 1 is smallest single digit number. So now start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now turn comes of 9, and 9 is the largest single digit number. In these numbers, from 1 to 9, we have learned that 1 is smallest single digit number and 9 is the largest single digit number. Now we will start counting from 10. Now 10 is smallest 2-digit number. 10 is smallest 2-digit number. यानी कि अगर हमसे कोई पूछे that what is the smallest 2-digit number, that is 10. 1 0 10. Now 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Student, nobody will sit quietly. Everybody has to speak with me. Everybody has to speak with me. Now 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and now 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, then 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, then 59, and then 60, then 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, then 67, 68, 69, and then 70, then 71, 72, 73, 74, then 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, then 80, then 81, 82, 83, then 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, then 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and then 100. But before 100, we have seen that 99 comes. 99 is the largest two-digit number. From 1 to 99, we have learned that number 1 is smallest one-digit number, number 9 is largest single-digit number, number 1, 0, 10, that is smallest two-digit number, then 99, 99 is largest two-digit number. So now comes the turn of 100. अब 100 की बारी आती है. 100, there are 3 digits in 100. 1, 0, 0. 1, 0 and 0. Now we can say this thing that 100, 1, 0, 0 is smallest 3-digit number. 1, 0, 0 is smallest 3-digit number. Now we can write counting in the same way from 101 to 200, then 201 to 300, 301 to 400. In this way we can write counting moving forward. हम 1000 तक लिख सकते हैं, हम 2000 तक लिख सकते हैं, हम 10,000 तक लिख सकते हैं. In this way we will continue the counting. Student, in the same way, as I told you that 1 is single digit smallest number, 9 is largest smallest digit number. In this way the sequence will go on. Now 1, 0, 10 is 2-digit number, then 1, 0, 100 is 3-digit smallest number, then 1, 000 is 4-digit smallest number. इस तरह से बढ़ते जाएंगे. केवल हमें ये ध्यान रखना है कि 1 और 9 दोनों सिंगल डिजिट नंबर हैं. बाद में जब हम स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट नंबर को लिखेंगे, 2-digit स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट नंबर लिखेंगे, दैट इज 1 और 0. अब 1 और 0 के बाद 0 ऐड होते चले जाएंगे और वो जितने भी डिजिट उसके अंदर आएंगे दैट विल बी द स्मॉलेस्ट. और लार्जेस्ट के लिए हम 1 और 9 ऐड करते चले जाएंगे. जैसे 9 इज सिंगल लार्जेस्ट नंबर, इन द सेम वे 99 इज लार्जेस्ट 2-digit नंबर, then 999 is 3-digit largest number. In this way when we are writing smallest number or smaller digit number we will add 0, और जब हम largest number लिखेंगे हम उसके अंदर 9 ऐड करेंगे. In this way we will find out the smallest and largest digit number. Student, on your first page we have seen that in the blue block it is written that single digit number and largest digit single digit number and 2-digit number, smallest भी लिखा हुआ है और largest भी लिखा हुआ है. स्टूडेंट, आई होप आप इसको प्रॉपरली लर्न कर लेंगे. जब भी आपके क्वेश्चन पेपर में ये चीज़ पूछी जाएगी, स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट नंबर, सिंगल डिजिट नंबर, तो आप 1 लिखेंगे. अगर लार्जेस्ट सिंगल डिजिट नंबर पूछा जाएगा तो आप 9 लिखेंगे. अगर आपसे स्मॉलेस्ट डबल डिजिट नंबर पूछा जाएगा तो यू विल राइट 10, और अगर आपसे लार्जेस्ट सिंगल डिजिट डबल डिजिट नंबर पूछा जाएगा तो आप 99 लिखेंगे. स्टूडेंट, रिमेंबर, लर्न दिस थिंग और revise this thing daily, that what is the single digit smallest single digit number, what is the largest single digit number, what is the smallest two digit number, what is the largest two digit number. Now we will continue with page number 2. Student, अभी हमने काउंटिंग की. ये काउंटिंग्स तो हमने नंबर में की और ओरली की, बट यही काउंटिंग हमें अगर नंबर नेम लिखने हो तो, अगर हमें नंबर नेम लिखने हो, हमने 1 to 20 किए थे नंबर नेम इन आवर क्लास प्रेप. सो आई होप यू पीपल ऑल नो नंबर नेम ऑफ 1 to 20 वेरी वेल. ठीक है. सो आई विल स्पीक नंबर नेम टिल 1 to 20 दैट यू विल रिवाइज विद मी. यू नीड नॉट टू राइट एनीवेयर. आपको कहीं भी कुछ लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आपको ना इसको नोटबुक में कॉपी करने की ज़रूरत है, ना आपको इसको किसी रफ नोटबुक में कॉपी करने की ज़रूरत है. बस आप जो भी आई एम रिपीटिंग और आई एम स्पीकिंग, यू हैव टू जस्ट स्पीक विद मी. स्टूडेंट, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट नंबर नेम. सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट नंबर ऑफ काउंटिंग? दैट इज 1. ये 1 है. तो व्हाट इज द नंबर नेम ऑफ 1? O-N-E. What is the number name of 1? O-N-E. Then 2. T-W-O. Student, what is the spelling of 2? T-W-O. कुछ बच्चे इसको T-O-W भी लिखते हैं. That is very frequent mistake. One or another student do this mistake in their notebook. And I have done this correction also in your notebook. So we will remember this thing, that the spelling of 2 is T-W-O, 2. Now turn comes of 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Then 4. F-O-U-R. Student, F-O-R 4 नहीं होता. F-O-U-R, that is 4. Then 5. F-I-V-E, 5, that is 5. Then 6. S-I-X, 6. Then 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7, that is 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. Now 8. E-I-G-H-T, 8, that is 8. Then 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Then 10. T-E-N, 10. Student, these are the number name of 1 to 10. Now I tell you one thing. Whenever you are writing number name, जब भी आप number name लिखते हैं तो हम जो first letter होता है that should be capital. अगर हमने लिखा है 1, that is O-N-E, 1, तो हम O को capital लिखेंगे. हमें O capital लिखना है. Understand? हम O को capital लिखेंगे. T-W-O. What should be capital? T. हमें T को capital लिखना है. Then 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. तो क्या कैपिटल हो गया 3 में? T. Then turn comes of 4. F-O-U-R, 4. तो अब हमें इसमें क्या कैपिटल लिखना है? F. Then 5. F-I-V-E, 5. That should be capital. 5 में F should be capital. Then S-I-X, 6. In 6, S should be capital. S-E-V-E-N, 7. In 7, S should be capital. E-I-G-H-T, 8. In 8, E should be capital. Then N-I-N-E, 9. In 9, N should be capital. Then again 10. T-E-N. In 10, T should be capital. Now we will move forward. That is 11. In 11, E should be capital and the number name of 11 is E L E V E N. 11. Now 12. T W E L V E. 12. In 12, T should be capital and again the number name of 12 is T W E L V E. 12. Now 13. 1 3 13. T H I R T E N. 13. So what should be capital in 13? T. T should be capital. T H I R T E N. 13. Now 14. F O U R T E N. 14. So what should be capital in 14? F. Then 15. F I F T E N. 15. So what should be capital in that? F.